What would happen if our world stopped spinning for just 5 minutes? It's a question that might seem far-fetched, almost science fiction, but it's an intriguing mental exercise nonetheless. We're all aware that our planet is in constant motion, spinning on its axis at a speed of over 1,000 miles per hour. This rotation is so fundamental to life as we know it, shaping our days and nights, driving our weather patterns, and even influencing the very shape of our planet. But what if this ceaseless twirl were to suddenly stop, even just for 5 minutes? Such a scenario would take us into uncharted territory. The laws of physics would still apply, of course, but the results would be anything but ordinary. It's a thought experiment that will challenge your understanding of the world and its workings. Imagine, if you will, the Earth coming to a sudden halt. Now, let's explore what might happen next. First, consider the immediate instinctive effects. If Earth were to stop spinning for 5 minutes, the laws of physics wouldn't take a break with it. The principle of inertia would still be in full swing, meaning everything that was in motion would want to stay in motion. This includes you, me, the oceans, and the atmosphere. Let's start with the oceans. Imagine all the water in the world suddenly surging eastward. We're talking about tsunamis like we've never seen before. Waves hundreds of feet high would sweep across the continents, obliterating everything in their path. Coastal cities would be wiped off the map in an instant, and inland areas wouldn't fare much better. And what about the atmosphere? It's also in motion, spinning along with the Earth. If the planet stopped, the air wouldn't. Hurricanes would form instantly, whipping up winds at unimaginable speeds. The skies would darken with swirling clouds, and rain would pour down like never before. Now picture yourself. Your body, like all objects on Earth, is also moving at the same speed as the planet's rotation. If the Earth stopped, you wouldn't. You'd be hurled eastward at a speed of over 1,000 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound. For those of us not securely strapped down or inside a sturdy building, we'd be launched into the atmosphere, a trip that would most likely be one way. But wait, what about the objects around us? Cars, buildings, trees, they'd also be flung eastward. Imagine the chaos as everything not firmly rooted to the ground takes a sudden and violent flight. In essence, the immediate aftermath of the Earth's rotation stopping even for just 5 minutes would be a world of chaos and destruction, a scene straight out of a disaster movie. But the immediate impact is just the beginning. The long-term effects could be even more dramatic. Beyond the initial chaos, the long-term implications are equally unsettling. The Earth's rotation doesn't just give us our day-night cycle, it's a vital cog in the machinery of our planet's magnetic field. This invisible shield protects us from the onslaught of solar radiation. If our planet stopped spinning even briefly, it could disrupt this magnetic field. Imagine the implications. We'd be exposed to unfiltered solar radiation, a scenario that could lead to the eradication of most life forms. And that's not all. Our Earth's rotation also influences our climate. The cessation of this rotation could trigger a drastic change in our climate patterns. We could be looking at a possible extinction-level event. The interplay of wind, water, and temperature, all thrown into disarray, could lead to an uninhabitable world. So the cessation of Earth's rotation, even for just 5 minutes, could lead to catastrophic consequences. So what's the takeaway from this somewhat chilling thought experiment? We've dabbled in the realm of the unthinkable, explored the immediate impacts, and ventured into the long-term consequences of our world coming to a sudden brief halt. In this journey, we've come to appreciate the delicate balance that our planet maintains, the intricate dance of gravitational forces and momentum that keeps our world spinning. This rotation, often taken for granted, is actually a vital cog in the machinery of life. It regulates our climate, generates our magnetic field, and even shapes our daily routines. From cataclysmic winds to devastating tsunamis, from the extinction of life to the reshaping of continents, we've seen the potential horrors that could unfold if our world stopped spinning, even for just 5 minutes. This exploration serves as a reminder of how crucial the Earth's rotation is to our survival and existence. It's clear that even a brief pause in our planet's spin could lead to unimaginable catastrophe. So let's appreciate our spinning Earth a little more today. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.